The copyright to this video is owned by Arrow Security Shutters. How to fit a manually operated galvanized steel roller shutter door. External face fix. The fixing flag posts are 50 mm wide with a projection depth of 75 mm. Measure the opening to determine the location of the first length of angle. 75 mm on each edge is the normal recommendation. Use a spirit level to make sure the flag post is perfectly vertical. Prepare the fixing holes with a drill and fix into place. Offer the second flag post into position, ensuring it is vertical and at the correct distance from the first flag post, and the tops of the end plates are level. Prepare the fixing holes with a drill and fix into place. Remove the attachment strips from the axle. Attach the axle to the end plates using the fixings provided, making sure that the bolt holes, located along the length of the axle for the curtain attachments, will be available. Attach the guide channels to the flag posts. A lock has been supplied in the bottom slat. Slide the bottom slat into the guide rails and move to the bottom. Turn the key and check that the lock bars will locate in the keeps. Attach the curtain to the bottom slat. Slide in the attachment strips and bolt them to the axle. Turn the axle in the down direction and carefully remove the pin. There may be tension on the axle, which will cause the axle to turn rapidly. If required, adjust the tension in the spring. To reduce tension, turn the axle in the up direction. To add tension, turn the axle in the down direction. Attach the stops to the guides. Fit the box lid. The lid is best riveted in 8 positions. The shutter can be locked or unlocked from either side. "50 mm of the shutter hangs down into the opening when fully open. Your steel galvanized roller shutter is now ready to use. How to measure for a manually operated galvanized steel roller shutter door, external face fix. It is recommended the shutter angles are set 75 mm from each edge of the opening width. The shutter width is equal to the opening width plus 75 mm each side. The shutter box height is determined by the full height of the shutter. Shutters up to 1,200 mm high require a 250 mm box. Shutters up to 2,400 mm high require a 300 mm box. Shutters up to 2,800 mm high require a 350 mm box. The shutter height is the height of the opening plus the shutter box height. That's all the measurements you need to place your order.